Now, I'm going to tell you the next important rule, that is, whenever in indirect speech we have to change direct speech from indirect speech, sometimes sentence is given just like I will uh, come here now. Okay, so now will be converted into then in the direct speech, just like I will come there. First of all, here ka there bhi hoega. Okay, and now will be converted into then, but I will also be converted according to the subject and will also be converted into would. Okay, and whenever today will be given, okay, if the word today will be given, just like I will come today. Okay, so today will be converted into that day in the indirect speech. Okay, the next one is this. If sometime in direct speech the sentence is given, I will come this week. Okay, then we will convert from this into that week. Okay, tomorrow. The sentence will be I will come tomorrow. I'm only explaining about tomorrow only. I'm not explaining about I will here. Okay, but you have to change that thing also, tense and pronoun in the indirect speech also. So tomorrow will be converted into next day. You can also say that tomorrow means aane wala din. Okay, so that will be next day. Okay, these, if the sentence is given there, these are ripe mangoes. Okay, so these will be converted into those, are will be converted into were, and ripe mangoes will be written as it is. Okay, yesterday, I have come yesterday, or I had come yesterday. It means yesterday will be converted into the previous day, because ये पिछला दिन होता है, तो we will say the previous day for yesterday. Next is here. Here I already told you that here will be converted into there. Last night, just like I have met you last night. Okay, just like I have met you last night, it will be converted into the previous night, because ये पिछली night है. It means the previous night we will write that. Ago, in the sentence, if sometime it is written there long ago, some sentence is written there, so we will write in the place of long ago, we will write long before. Now the most important rule is this. Sometimes sentence is given, the teacher said, comma, inverted comma, start, the earth moves round the sun, inverted commas, close. You know that in direct speech or in reported speech, it is written there, the earth moves round the sun. While making into indirect speech, we will write only that in the place of commas, inverted commas, and sentence will be written as it is. Why as it is? Because it is called as universal truth in direct speech. Okay, sometime if there is sentence given there, then we can't change that sentence also. There cannot be any change, because it is a universal truth also. कुदरती चीजें हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. We can't change the proverbs, we can't change the idioms also. Those are always universal truths. So that's why we will only remove the inverted commas from there, and we will write that in the place of inverted commas there. Okay, so there will be no change in that sentence. Next, again, I am giving you one more example. My mother said to me, honesty is the best policy. This is also the universal truth. You can say we can't change this proverb. Honesty is the best policy. So that's why only we will change what we can change. We can change only said to into told or advised or suggested. But according to me, advice is more better, because honesty is the best policy. It is the advice given by mother to me. That's why I will write, my mother advised me that. We will use that in the place of inverted commas, and honesty is the best policy will be written as it is. Okay, now two more rules are most important rules, but they are rarely used. Okay, which are they? The teacher says the boy was lazy. You can say in reported verb, the verb is given says, means it tells us about the present tense. And while changing into indirect speech, we will not convert this sentence into any other, only we will write that for the in the place of inverted commas. Why? Because if reported verb is in present tense, then no change will be in reported speech. That will we have to see always. If say or says given in the reported verb, means it shows the present tense in the reported verb, then we will not convert anything in making the indirect speech. Okay. Now next sentence is the teacher will say. This is the second rule I'm telling you. The boy was lazy. Okay, now again in the reported verb the future tense is given there. Okay, will say is given there, will say can be given there, shall say can be given there. Okay, so it means that we will not convert the reported speech into anything, because we will write the teacher will say that the boy was lazy, only we will write that there. Okay, why the reported verb is because if reported verb is in future tense, it means no change in reported speech. Okay, these two more rules you should know. You should know that we have to use these things in our making indirect speech. Now next we will do now practice, because practice makes the man perfect, and without practice we can't make changes into narration. Sentence is I said I can do this sum. Okay, first of all, first rule we will apply, that is ki the reported verb is given in past tense, means said. That's why we will convert it into indirect speech with all the rules. Okay, and first rule will be we will remove comma inverted commas and we will write in the place of comma inverted commas that also. Okay, second rule is that we will convert I can do this sum in this tense, and pronoun will also be changed, and if any other rule that we can see there, just like this we can see there, that's why we will change into that there, and we will write I said that I could do that sum. Okay, now I will not be converted. Why? Because no object is given there in the reported verb. It is only I said. If it will be there, I said to me or I said to you, then we can convert I into according to the object. Okay. Next is Bali said Raman returned at noon. Okay, Bali said we will only convert converted commas into that. That is the main thing. And now past tense is given there in the sentence. Raman returned at noon. Okay, so it is past indefinite tense given. And I have already told you, we have already seen in the rules that past tense will be converted into past perfect tense. Okay, only we will use had there, but we have to see that that form is already V3 or not. If it is not V3, then we will convert into V3. Okay, means verb, third form of the verb. Peter said Kamla works very hard. Now again present tense is given there. I already told you that present tense will be converted into past indefinite tense, so we will write Peter said that Kamla works का क्या बन जाएगा worked. Okay, second form will be given there, very hard, and no change will be there. Next is he said all were laughing at the beggars. Were we have already done, that was or were will be converted into had been, and that will also be given there. He said that all had been laughing at the beggars. So that's this is the all that I have told you. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Keep liking, keep sharing. Take care. Bye bye.